or side drive. Seen that little Jeep, thought I seen you from behind. Pulled up on the side, wasn't you in the window. You still on my mind, clear to see, plain and simple. Then I started thinking about the way it used to be. I was on the phone, we got caught history. Fucking with each other for so long, it gets to me. I'm reminded by the signs that we just aren't meant to be. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Cause I can't take no more.
What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by Alipearl, y'all. They sent me over a wig to install, but I'm gonna be honest, this is my favorite wig. I think I ate this wig install down. I'm finally at a point where I can do my hair myself. You guys know I am always out spending money getting my hair done. I'm finally at a point where I can get my hair done myself. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this video. This is a wig they sent me, these gorgeous curls, and they also come with combs for protection. I'm going in with the Eben New York glue. Just gonna do my ball cap real quick. I've been using Eben's new products, and I really feel like it's gonna sustain me for at least a week in super hot Texas. But this wig, I'm not gonna lie, it exceeded my expectations. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It was the perfect density, the perfect length, because you guys know a lot of times I'll get curly hair and in my opinion it'll just be too big. This, oh my god, y'all, this wig was so perfect. I did the baby hairs good. Like, I really feel like I did my absolute best, and I really feel like I ate down. This is my first time using skin protector. As you guys see, I don't really know how to use it. Me using it the way that I did started to make the ball cap roll back. Next time I'm just going to use it like with a cotton swab. But as soon as I did that and the ball cap got wet, it started going back. But the glue that I'm using today is the Eben Sports Waterproof one. I always get new glue to try out. This one right now, this is my first time trying it, so I can't really give you guys a good review. But I did like 3 to 4 layers, and then I went ahead and attached the wig. I'm doing some, Kyrie, please. I'm doing some plucking. Like I was saying, you guys, I actually love this wig. It was so easy to work with because I didn't have to do any work. Literally, like, all the work was done for me. So I think I think this wig is good for beginners. If you guys are interested in shopping with Alipearl, I will leave everything linked down below so you guys can try out. And y'all will see that I really didn't have to do much but wax stick and hot comb and some baby hairs. Like, the wig was impeccable. I also did go in with some mousse and water in a spray bottle just to zhuzh up the curls. So you guys will see that as well. But yeah, thank you so much to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. I love this wig. 10 out of 10, you guys. I'm actually going to leave this wig on. Y'all know I don't be leaving these wigs on. This wig exceeded my expectations by a million, you guys. I love this wig. Look at this melt. Like, I left that band on for 10 minutes. I don't know why I keep trusting these girls talking about an hour. No, the band don't need to be on your head for an hour. 10 minutes is fine. So enough of me talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Kyrie. Bye.
Fix it. Talk about all the time, try to play around with my mind. Yeah, baby, it's over because I'm saying it is. So out with that old shit, I ain't fight no more bitch. And I ain't taking no more. Don't hit that shit.
I'll take that pay cut. Had you in my favor, better get that minimum wage up. I can't stay with no way up. Won't be there when you wake up. Never tripping off the facts. Trying to burn it like a pack. The life I live is the life I made. What you won't have is the love I give. So I say, so I say, so I say. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me.
Just walked out of Sykesville, put 2,000 on my feet. I'm a motherfucking boss, it's gon' cost to talk to me. He ain't talking about no money, must be speaking Chinese. Fell in love with road running, I run routes like Tyreek. They know I'm too slippery, baby, come and get in with me, baby. Take off all that Nike, girl, come get some Da Vinci, baby. Bitch, I don't see no nigga, I'm a real go-getter. Ballin' on these broke niggas, put bigs on Sports Center. Saved by the dope game, come get you a whole thing. Push up in that Maybach, pull off like I got road rage. I know why these niggas hatin', they know they can't fuck with me. Mr. Beat the road, baby, tell them niggas catch up with me. Remember, I was down bad, now it's 500 in my stash. I'm finna go drop a bag, just cause niggas made me mad. Bitch, you wanna be a boss, you gotta pay the price. Babe, get in with a shark, I'll change your life. She wanna fuck a winner, $100 demos. I got 2 for 2, come get a quad lemon. Bitch, real trap nigga, true Kona Bella. Big money spinner, 50K in a sprinter. I'm a big baller, like I play for the Clippers. Gucci mixed with Prada, red money slippers. Fell in love with designer, I stay in Neiman Marcus. 13 for the, come get a James Harden. Just walked out of Sykesville, put 2,000 on my feet. I'm a motherfucking boss, it's gon' cost to talk to me. He ain't talking about no money, must be speaking Chinese. Fell in love with road running, I run routes like Tyreek. You know I'm too slippery, baby, come and get in with me, baby. Take off all that Nike, girl, come get some Da Vinci, baby. Bitch, I don't see no nigga, I'm a real go-getter. Ballin' on these broke niggas, put bigs on Sports Center.
I just made a ride on Northside Drive. Seen that little Jeep, thought I seen you from behind. Pulled up on the side, wasn't you in the window. You still on my mind, let it see, plain and simple. Then I started thinking about the way it used to be. I was on the phone, we got caught history. Fucking with each other for so long, it gets to me. I'm reminded by the signs that we just aren't meant to be. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over.
Just walked out of Sykesville, put 2,000 on my feet. I'm a motherfucking boss, it's gon' cost to talk to me. He ain't talking about no money, must be speaking Chinese.